Hi Asad. This is my daily checklist video, and today is the last day of this week, so I'm explaining what I am doing actually today. Today I am also working in the morning, and first of all check my mail and also retail channel, and then I go my regular work. That was we finished the Gold Crest remain product. That was a BM and Amazon. Actually, I didn't get not good product over here. I got 3 products over here and also over here, and maximum are out of stock. So Amazon also out of stock. I have 2 products, and that is Amazon product. Actually, I set it on my ultimate site. So that is my research work, and I work on Uber. Today I set the last update week, that is December 3 to 9. I set all the information into here. Also I set the daily report, that was 6, 7 and 8 day. I set it here also, so please check out over here, and also set the weekly report, and that is also set in the Uber file. And my my process state checklist on my site 501. I set all information as a site. I copied from 401, that means Rabbi's site, and set all the information over my site and my site. So that is all of my work today. So thank you for watching my video. So next week we will work, and I have a say that is 16 days our victory day. So it was our government holiday, so we informed you about that holiday. So in our country, so it is our holiday. So that's all. So thank you. Bye for now.